Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this morning I'm heading towards to Moscow metro station. Any guesses why and where am I going? So do watch my video till the end. So yes, now I'm in the station and today I'm going to show you the SAPSAN high-speed train. I'll be going to Petersburg by this high-speed train. So be a part of my journey. This is how the SAPSAN high-speed bullet train looks like. SAPSAN high-speed bullet train. It's really a fastest way to reach Petersburg by within 3 to 3.5 hours journey. But yes, there are other ways to travel from Moscow to Petersburg or vice versa. But as per my opinion, SAPSAN is the most convenient and easiest way to reach. Why is that so? Let me tell you. Because the SAPSAN station in Moscow and Petersburg both are perfectly in the cities and are easily reachable. Whereas if you are planning to travel by air, the time taken considering the location where the airport is in both the places, and there might be possible of traffic jam which are common nowadays, and time needed for check-in and also boarding procedure, and might be chances of flight delays. So overall, the time when going via air is actually exceeds than SAPSAN. Yeah, it was my first experience of SAPSAN train and I thoroughly enjoyed every moment of it. And well, it's a must-try experience. I'm sure you guys might have enjoyed watching this vlog. So please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Sanvish Vlogs. So stay connected to explore Petersburg. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all.